Welcome back to our QuickBooks Online tutorial series. In the last video, we covered the basics of QuickBooks Online, including its features and advantages, and we also showed you how to sign up for a free trial. Today, we're going to continue our exploration. In this new video, we will focus on the main menu of QuickBooks Online. We'll guide you through each menu and explain what you can do with them. Before we learn about the menus, let me explain the two views available in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online has two different views, the Accountant view and the Business view. Each view is made for different types of users and their specific needs. In the Accountant view, the left menu is designed for accounting professionals managing multiple clients. It includes tools like the dashboard, banking, sales, customers, cash flow, expenses, employees, reports, taxes, accounting, and apps. In the Business view, the left menu is customized for small business owners. It includes tools like Get This Done, Business Overview, Bookkeeping, Get Paid and Pay, Customers, Employees, Taxes, and Apps. The menus cater to the specific needs of accountants and business owners, helping them efficiently manage finances. Now I have logged into the Business view of QuickBooks Online. I will show you how to switch to the Accountant view. It's very simple. Just click on the Settings gear wheel on the top right corner, click on it, and choose Switch to Accountant view. It will reload, and you'll be in the Accountant view. I will continue the video in this Accountant view of QuickBooks Online. Let's go to the menu in left-hand side. The first tool is Dashboard. The dashboard is the main landing page in Accountant view, showing your business's financial status and key indicators. It helps you manage multiple clients in one place and has two subpages: Get This Done and Business Overview. The Get This Done subpage helps you organize and track important tasks for the business. It includes shortcuts for tasks like adding customers, estimates, invoices, receiving payments, and employees. We can reorganize this according to our preference by clicking this editing tool like this. The Bank Accounts area shows the bank accounts with names, balances, and recent transactions. If we click on See More, we can access all the tools available for managing money coming into and going out of the business. It allows us to access each tool easily. The Business Overview subpage shows a quick snapshot of your business's financial performance and important metrics. It helps you assess the business's health and progress easily. Here are some key features within this subpage. At the top of the page, we can see the Cash Flow Forecast. It displays a prediction of the business's future cash flow based on the money coming in and going out over time. To generate this forecast, we need to link bank accounts. Next, there are three sections: bank accounts, profit and loss, and expenses. Bank accounts shows the summary of bank accounts and balances. The profit and loss section gives a summary of your business's revenue and expenses, showing the net profit or loss. You can check this information for specific time periods by clicking this arrow and selecting the period. The expenses section displays a pie chart of all the business expenses, such as costs of sales, utilities, salaries, etc., for a specific period. Here also we can adjust the period by clicking on the arrow. When we go down, we can see another two sections: Income and Sales. This income section shows the open invoices, overdue invoices, and paid invoices in last 30 days. And sales sections show the total sales for a given period of time with a line chart. The dashboard in QuickBooks Online gives you a complete and organized view of your businesses. It helps you manage tasks, track important activities, and check the financial health of the business. Now we will move on to this banking tool. The banking page lets you connect and manage your bank accounts and credit cards. It simplifies importing transactions, reconciling accounts, and categorizing expenses. The banking page has three subpages: Banking, Rules, and Tags. The banking subpage in QuickBooks Online allows you to connect your bank accounts and credit cards. To do this, click on the Connect Account button and link your bank using login credentials to import transactions securely. Afterward, you can review, categorize, and match transactions imported from the bank. If your bank is not supported by QuickBooks Online, you can manually update transactions using the Upload Transaction button. The next subpage is Rules. Here you can easily manage your bank rules. These rules work automatically to sort and handle transactions based on specific conditions. Creating rules is simple. Just set criteria and actions for transactions. For example, you can categorize certain vendors as office supplies or allocate specific amounts to income accounts. The last subpage in banking section is tags. You can create custom tags representing categories, projects, or any relevant labels for your transactions. These tags can be applied to both incoming money transactions like invoices and payments and outgoing money transactions like supplier payments. After applying tags, you can filter and search for transactions based on specific tags. This helps you easily find transactions related to specific categories or projects and understand the fields that affect incoming and outgoing money. The next tool in the menu is Sales. This page provides you with tools to manage your clients' sales-related activities and track their revenue. It allows you to efficiently handle invoicing, manage customer information, and track products and services. The Sales page consists of 3 main subpages: All Sales, Customers, and Products and Services. The All Sales subpage in the Sales section provides an overview of your sales transactions and allows you to manage them efficiently. On top of the page, you can track the status of sales transactions, including whether they are open, paid, overdue, or partially paid. This helps you monitor the progress of invoices and manage outstanding balances. Below here, there is a transaction list including invoices, sales receipts, estimates, and credit memos, etc. You can easily view and filter these transactions based on criteria such as date, customer, or transaction type. From this New Transaction button, you can create new sales transactions, such as invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. This allows you to quickly generate and send invoices to clients or record sales transactions. Let's move to the Customers subpage. This focuses on managing customer information and interactions. It allows you to keep track of customer details, create customer profiles, and view their transaction history. It displays total of estimates, unbilled income, overdue invoices, open invoices or credit, and recently paid amount on top of the page. At the top right corner, you'll find the New Customer button that allows you to create customer profiles with their contact details, payment terms, and default settings. The arrow next to it lets you import a list of customers to the QuickBooks Online system. Below, there's a list of all your customers that you can view and filter based on various criteria like name, contact information, or outstanding balance. Clicking on a customer's name gives access to their transaction history, including invoices, payments, and estimates. The action column in the list enables you to perform tasks directly for any customer. You can receive payments, send reminders, create invoices, sales receipts, and more, streamlining the accounts receivable process and improving communication with customers. The Product and Services page is designed for managing your inventory and the items you sell. It helps you track and categorize your products. It shows the number of low-stock and out-of-stock products, and you can filter them in the list below. Using the New button at the top right corner, you can create new product or service items. You can provide details like SKU, description, cost, sales price, and more. You can also edit or delete existing items when needed. The arrow next to it lets you import a list of products to the system. Below, there's a list of all the items you sell, whether physical products, digital goods, or services. You can view and filter the list based on various criteria like name, category, or sales price. Next, we have the Customers and Leads tool in the menu. This page helps you manage client relationships, track customer information, and handle marketing activities. It includes 2 subpages, Customers and Marketing. This Customer subpage is the same one we talked about in the Sales tool. The Marketing subpage in this section has tools for marketing activities and tracking their effectiveness. You can create and send professional emails to customers, select target audiences, and track campaign performance. And also you can monitor marketing activities and costs to analyze ROI and campaign effectiveness. Further, you can access reports with insights into campaign performance, including open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Next, there is the Cash Flow page in the menu. The Cash Flow page is a useful tool for understanding and controlling your money flow. It gives you a clear picture of how money comes in and goes out, so you can make smart financial choices. In the Money In section, you can see any invoices that are overdue or still open. You can also access reports like the Open Invoices report and Customer Balance Details report by clicking the View Reports button. Similarly, in the Money Out section, you can view any overdue bills or open bills. The View Reports button allows you to generate reports such as the Expenses by Supplier Summary report and Unpaid Bill report. By using this page, you can keep a close eye on your cash flow, handle outstanding payments, and stay on top of your financial situation with ease. The next tool in the menu is Expenses. This page helps you handle your business expenses and activities with vendors in an organized way. You can keep track of your expenses, put them into categories, handle bills from vendors, and keep your financial records accurate. The page has two main sections, Expenses and Suppliers. The Expenses subpage is where you take care of your business expenses. It shows a list of all the expenses recorded, like bills, checks, and credit card charges. You can view and filter these expenses based on the date, the vendor, or the category of the expense. From this New Transaction button, you can create new expense and record bills, enter credit card charges, write checks, and track other types of expenses incurred by your businesses. The Suppliers subpage is all about managing information and interactions with vendors. It helps you keep track of vendor details, create their profiles, and handle bills and payments. On this page, you can find a comprehensive list of all your clients' vendors or suppliers. You can easily view and filter this list using criteria like name, contact information, or outstanding bills. To add a new vendor, you can use the New Supplier button and fill in their contact details, payment terms, and default settings. If needed, you can also edit or delete existing vendor profiles. Additionally, there's an option to import a list of suppliers into the system using the Import Suppliers feature. Furthermore, the Action column lets you record vendor bills, create expenses, write checks, and generate purchase orders for your interactions with the vendors. It's a handy tool to efficiently manage your vendor-related activities and keep your business running smoothly. Let's move to the next tool in the menu, Employees. The Employee page shows a complete list of all your company's employees. You can see their names, contact details, job status, and how they get paid. You can also use filters to find specific employees easily. To add a new employee, just click on the Add an Employee button. Then you can create and keep track of each employee's record. This includes their personal info, job details, how much they earn, tax details, and other important information. It's a handy tool to manage all your employees' data in one place. The next tool in the menu is Reports page. This Reports page offers many different reports to help you analyze your financial data, track your business performance, and make better decisions. You can choose from various report categories and customize them to meet your specific needs. QuickBooks displays a list of favorite reports at the top, including important ones like Accounts Receivable Aging Summary, Balance Sheet, and Profit and Loss Statement. The reports are organized into 3 categories for easy navigation: Standard, Custom Reports, and Management Reports. To view a report, just click its name. For customization, click Customize on the top right. QuickBooks also allows you to set up automated email delivery, print, or export reports as Excel or PDF files. Once you have customized a report and saved it, it will be displayed in the Custom Reports section. To add a report to your favorites, click the star. If you want to find a specific report quickly, use the search field. Enter a keyword from the report title, like expenses, and QuickBooks will show you all reports containing that word. When you navigate down, you'll find 4 main categories of reports. Business Overview. This category includes profit and loss, balance sheets, cash flows, and statements of changes in equity. These reports offer various perspectives, such as summarized, detailed, and comparison views. Who owes you? In this section, you can access several reports related to accounts receivable. Sales and customers. Here, you can find reports concerning customers, sales, and products presented in different ways. What you owe. This category allows you to generate reports related to accounts payables, expenses, and suppliers. You can obtain reports regarding expenses and suppliers. Beyond that, there are report sections for sales tax, employees, and payroll. Next one is tax. The taxes page is where you manage all tax-related activities. You can configure tax settings, review tax forms, and record tax payments easily. It helps you stay compliant with tax regulations and handle tax tasks efficiently. To set up sales tax, click the Add Tax button and provide details like tax name, tax agency, tax number, sales tax rate, and purchase tax rate. After entering the details, click Save. At the top of the page, you'll see the net tax payable, tax collected on sales, and tax paid on purchases for the last quarter. In the Return section, you can prepare your tax return, and in the Payment section, you can make tax payments. It's a convenient way to manage all your tax-related tasks. Next tool is Accounting. It has two sections, Chart of Accounts and Reconcile. In Chart of Accounts, we can see the complete list of your accounts, including assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. You can create, edit, and delete accounts within the Chart of Accounts. Also, you can import a list of accounts from here. Also, from this action column, you can see the account history, edit, run report, or you can make any account inactive. From this Reconcile page, you can reconcile your bank accounts. The last one in the menu is Apps. The Apps menu lets you access extra tools and features from other companies. These apps can be added to QuickBooks Online to make it work even better for your business. You can find apps for things like invoicing, payroll, inventory management, and more. They help you customize QuickBooks Online to suit your specific needs and make your work easier and more efficient. The Apps menu in QuickBooks Online has two sections, Find Apps and My Apps. In the Find Apps section, you can browse and discover various apps that suit your business needs from a wide selection available. Once you find the app you want, you can add it to your QuickBooks system. After adding the app, it will appear in the My Apps section, where you can access and manage all the apps you have integrated with QuickBooks Online. This way, you can keep track of the apps you have chosen and use them conveniently whenever you need. In this video, we explored the QuickBooks Online menu and its practical uses. We learned about the different options available and how they can benefit us in managing our finances effectively. Coming up next, we have an exciting tutorial on how to create various accounts in QuickBooks. This step-by-step guide will help you set up your accounts efficiently. Subscribe to my channel to ensure you don't miss any future videos. Stay tuned and get ready to take your QuickBooks skills to the next level.